Going across New England, President Joe Biden will be joined by Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders for an event today at New Hampshire Technical Institute in Concord, discussing the Biden administration's work on cutting down prescription drug costs. The president will also be stopping by a campaign office promoting the Democratic ticket in New Hampshire. This marking the president's third trip to the state this year. In March, he visited Goffstown and Manchester, and in May, he stopped by Nashua and Merrimack.